Hey guys, I'm just Trapper Higher here. So, just a minute ago, I was outside and I was going to take a ride on my dirt bike. Well, walked around the corner right here, opened my garage door, and there were starlings. There was like 20 of them right there. So I ran in, got my .22 rifle, looked out, I leaned off this right here, and I shot what looked like the biggest one. As you can see, he's right here. I think it might have been eating that. But yeah, it's a starling, definitely. Got him in the neck, as far as aiming. She tried to shoot him in the head, but couldn't hold a gun completely still. But there's one. Now, after I shot this guy, see, I got starlings living. They got under the shingles, not under the shingles, under the siding, along the top of the house. They've been living in there, so there's a bunch of them. But that's one. And then I shot that one. And then I walked across the yard over to the pool to turn the pump on when I started the rifle. And I seen this grackle land right there. And then he hopped down to here. And went ahead, took the shot. He was walking away from me. And same spot, shot him right in the back of the neck. Came out right there. Well, it looks like the top of the chest, but that's a pretty big grackle. And these things like to eat my dog's dog food and pick the tops off of the beans and stuff, the tomatoes, whatever they can get a hold of. And I take them over to my, and I've already missed one this morning too. I think I'm gonna do a bunch of hunting today. Been doing a lot of fishing lately. My stuff just came in today, so I will do a video on that very soon. Taking these guys over to my blackbird pile. I've killed a shit ton of birds this year, blackbirds. It's only the second starling though. And something always seems to eat them. Like, these will be gone by tomorrow morning. So, I'll see you guys later. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, subscribe. And give me suggestions on what you want me to start doing. Alright, see you guys later. Bye.